guys, today we're going to make simple, easy but delicious Scottish shortbread cookies. So let's begin with the ingredients. 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now in a bowl, we're firstly going to mix our butter and sugar together until they're nicely combined. Add in your vanilla for that little extra flavour and mix that in. We're going to mix our baking powder and our milk powder with our all-purpose flour first. Now in your bowl, mix in your flour. Make sure you preheated your oven, and we have a tray lined with tinfoil so the biscuits don't stick onto the tray. Now we're sprinkling some flour onto our board, and we're taking out our dough. We're going to roll this dough out. Roll out your dough so it's 1 inch thick. Now with a fork you're going to poke holes to create a pattern, and so when it goes to baking these cookies, they bake evenly. Now you're going to cut these as rectangles. By using a flat spoon like this, the biscuits come up easier, so they come off easier. And then you can just place them in the tray. Make sure they're a bit spaced out though. Now we're going to put this in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. When you take them out, they should be golden brown like this, and then put it on a cooling rack to cool down. So here we have our Scottish shortbread cookies. They're very simple yet very delicious, and they're easy to make with this tutorial. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below, and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, bye!